Hello, today we will guide you through how to install Claude for your Chrome browser in minutes. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the process of finding the Claude extension in Chrome and adding it to your browser. This is a quick setup, and once it's done, you'll be able to access Claude more easily right from Chrome. To begin, open your browser. Make sure you're in Chrome, since the installation process we're covering here is specifically for the Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open and ready, look to the top right area of the window. There, click on the extensions icon. This is the small puzzle piece symbol near the browser toolbar. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the icons in the top right corner. Clicking this opens the extensions menu, where you can view and manage browser add-ons. From that menu, select Manage Extensions. This will take you to Chrome's Extensions Management page, where you can search for, review, and control installed or available extensions. It's the main place in Chrome for handling tools like Claude. Once you're on the extensions page, move to the search bar at the top of the screen and type Claude. Be sure to spell it carefully so the correct result appears. This search helps narrow down the list and makes it easier to find the extension you want without scrolling through other items. When Claude appears in the results, click on it to open its page. This lets you confirm that you're selecting the correct extension before installing it. It's always a good idea to quickly review what you're clicking on, especially when adding anything new to your browser. Next, click Add to Chrome. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the installation. Chrome may ask you to confirm the addition or review the permissions required by the extension. Read the prompts carefully, then continue through the installation steps as they appear. Once the process finishes, Claude should be installed in your Chrome browser. If needed, you can return to the extensions icon in the top right corner to find it and make it easier to access later. That's it for the setup process. You've now gone through how to install Claude for your Chrome browser in just a few minutes.